Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're talking about the custom sunshade. So really the most damaging thing that can damage your vehicle, the interior at least, is the sun. So you really want to do everything you can to block the UV rays from getting to your seats, getting to your dash, and a great way to do that is with a sunshade like this. Right here, you can see this is a custom shade made specific for the vehicle. It's going to keep the temperature on the inside of your vehicle up to 50 degrees cooler, and then it also blocks those UV rays from hitting your seats, hitting your dash, which again can be very damaging. And for not a whole lot, you can get a sunshade like this, block the sun, and just keep the vehicle a lot cooler. So think about getting the custom sunshade for your vehicle. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.